Hey, how's it going? Romer Castellano here, and today I'm gonna make this video for you guys describing how to meditate. It's gonna be a no bullshit guide, straight to the point, very simple video, and I'm gonna make it very easy for you guys to understand the benefits, the pitfalls, the traps, the benefits, especially of meditating. Where do I even start? Number one, if you want to get girls and you want to have emotional control over yourself, you need to start meditating. And this is going to help a lot with your mind to relax and be in the moment. That's one of the most important parts is about being not just happy in your life, but content with what is happening. Because right now there's a lot of stimulus going on. There's a lot of stimulation going on your iPhone, you're scrolling on TikTok, and just pay attention. If you keep going in that direction, if you go in the direction of porn, if you go in the direction of watching all this bullshit on the internet, all of this is leading you in a certain direction. And here comes Romer leading you in a different direction. Just know, just if you want to just see what direction you're headed to, just max out whatever direction, max out the porn direction all the way. Go all the way in that direction just to see where it takes you. And then max out my direction, the direction of meditating, reading books. Max it out, go all the way, and see what happens. All right? But, anyways, back to meditating. So just to convince you that this is sorry, a fly just got in my eye. Just to convince you that this works very well, there's been studies that scientists have been conducting lately in regards to meditating, and that is that they have seen they hook up this they scan your brain with a EG scan, the neurologists, and they're able to see that the prefrontal cortex is getting stronger. They hook it up onto a monk and they see how the prefrontal cortex is getting stronger. So there's a lot of studies going on in regards to meditating, and it's been going on, these studies have been going on for the last 50 years. And so, like I said, when you see me on the internet, I am going against these girls shaking their ass. I'm going against dogs. I'm trying to lead you in a different direction. And that content is leading you. You're choosing what content you want to pay attention to. That some content is leading you in that direction, other content is leading you. You choose. Choose wisely what content you want to listen to. And pay attention to how you're feeling in your life. Jesus, there's bugs out here. I'm getting attacked by bugs right now. So pay attention what direction your life is going in, how you feel, everything. Let me check my notes to see what else I got. So, once you meditate, you're way better at eliminating stress, way better at handling the crash. For example, let's say you take a nice drug and then you crash, you're way better at handling that. Or when you have some great sex as well, you're way better at handling the when you start going down. So this is what I'm speaking on. Let me see. Let me check my notes. Okay, so I did put on my notes that the Buddhists, right now, this is how your mind is working right now. It's like a crazy monkey right now that is just wilding out. The monkey, this is called the monkey mind. So this monkey's drunk. He just got stung by a scorpion. This is how your mind is working right now. When you start meditating, it's like you're calming down that monkey mind and sedating it into a more calm, peaceful monkey. So what I'm saying is that which how do you want your life to go? Do you want the monkey that is stung by a scorpion, that is drunk, running your whole life, because this is what's happening? It's running your whole life. Or do you want the calm, sedated monkey, wise monkey running your life? You choose. If you want, you could go and watch the porn that you keep on watching, or all that bullshit you watch on TikTok, the girls dancing. All that shit's bullshit. And this is what I'm actually going against when I create content. I'm going against those girls twerking, all this other bullshit, the clowns on the internet. So choose wisely. One of them is taking you in an interesting direction. I'm proposing an interesting direction that includes you getting better, you getting stronger. Of course, it's a little bit more emotionally difficult, and it's actually a little boring, of course. But of course it's boring. It's just, it's interesting that it is boring, actually, because what happens is that you have to be wise enough to notice. It's like eating a chocolate or a chocolate cake. You like the stimulation you get from the chocolate cake, or you could have the vegetable. You understand what I'm saying here, right? It's the same thing when it goes content wise. I'm going against the girls shaking their ass and the dog videos, the the midgets on porn buses, all these people. I'm going up against all of them, and I'm the vegetables, and they're the chocolate cake. You choose wisely. What do you want to do? But in regards to meditating, back on track to where I was going with the meditation. When it comes to meditation, just remember, stay chill, and happy holidays as well. Merry Christmas. So practical. You just sit there, think of the direct experience that you're having, the direct moment that you're having exactly at this time. Just sit there, relax, breathe in, breathe out, focus on your breath. Nice and easy. Don't make it difficult. You're gonna start having these random thoughts coming up. It's like stories. You could grab onto a story and get lost in it, but then just remember to come back and be in the moment. This is gonna make the prefrontal cortex of your brain way stronger, and it has already been shown in neurological studies. So stay wise out there, and remember, I'll be here, Romer. Make sure you subscribe. Hop on my Discord. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on, what else? X. Follow me on X as well. I'll be here. If you guys need any help, any recommendations, I got you. I'm here to help, to serve you guys. And all I want to do is just take care of you and the humans, pushing us in a forward direction to personal development and philosophy and truth and all these metaphysical topics. Positive, not the bullshit negativity that we see. Negativity is like girls shaking their ass, waste of time. Video games, just try to unhook. You want an extraordinary life or a basic life where you go work your 9 to 5, get home, play video games, jerk off? You want to keep on doing that same thing over and over again? Or do you want to get extraordinary results? Let me know.